this season on Top $1 Million Agent.
Now consider this is the very first luxury net zero home in Canada, built by Timberworks. So this one here is $6 million.
Welcome to the most romantic master ensuite.
Really excited. I'm really happy that we were able to connect here.
Ooh la la.
Let's go take a closer look at that pool.
Yeah, let's do that.
Be under the impression that you're going to get it done maximum 60 days, and then
As long
I'm
as
waiting.
you're okay with us starting at 6:30 in the morning, ma'am, we'll get it done.
Look at this. Lots of light, bright colors.
Wow, this is beautiful.
An area I think that you're going to get a ton of use in is the living room.
And connecting you to the
Now,
outdoors.
when she's taking it back, those windows are closed.
The homeowner did a complete renovation. It was constructed in 1929.
Thanks for inviting us.
Oh, yeah, good. You get your Corvette. Sure, we got Corvettes. Come on, we'll show you around.
Oh, what's nice about this property is we kept you well under budget, $9.5 million.